My name is Josh Klein. I'm the Principal Youth Officer for Monmouthshire County Council.
Youth work can really benefit schools with topics such as LGBTQ+ education. We supported in Monmouthshire lots of school-based groups at lunchtime and after school, providing safe social spaces for young people who identify as LGBTQ+. We have skills and expertise to go in and have those conversations with young people and respect their identity. It's a really good example of a relationship between schools and youth work for us to be able to go in and set those kinds of things up to benefit the school's young people. I think because it's informal and non-formal, our approach, I think that adds real value and a real nice balance between the formal approach that they get from schools and education providers. Through the methodologies and the way that we work with young people, we can support young people that maybe the school feels is outside of their scope of boundaries. Teachers are fundamentally there to teach. There might be other things that they don't feel that they're best equipped to deal with, where youth workers may be the best professionals to come in and support in that way.
I got into youth work because I really valued helping people, supporting them. You know, it's all about that journey, and if I can facilitate that or support people or empower them to get from where they are to where they want to be and grow and develop, you know, love it, absolutely love it.